Hello everyone, I'm Avnas. I'm back with few more job updates. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for regular updates related to jobs and internships. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an important update. So let's start the video. First hiring is from Hexaware. Hexaware is hiring for 23 batch pass out. Location will be Chennai, Pune, Mumbai. And the CTC will be 6 LPA. First 3 months the stipend would be 25K. These are the job descriptions. Link will be in the description. Go and apply. Second update is from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for associate software engineering. Salary would be this for different locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon, and Kolkata. These are the education qualifications, all streams of B.Tech, M.E., M.Tech, M.Sc, and M.Sc. From 21 to 22 graduates can apply. Third update is from Credit Suisse. It's hiring for QA automation engineer 0 to 1 years of experience. Your skills and experience are bachelor's or master's degree in technology or any related fields. Freshers to 6 months to 1 year's professional experience, QA experience with excellent coding skills using Java, Python, and others requirements. Last update is from Baker Hughes. It's hiring for a staff full stack Java developer. Location is Mumbai. And these are the work experience that is required. Experience developing web applications with technology such as Spring, RESTful microservices using Node, Java, Python. So this is mainly for experienced candidate. So go and apply. All the links will be in the description. And if you have any doubt, then comment on the video. Also follow our LinkedIn page for more regular job updates. I post regularly. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for job updates and resources. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.